A combined team of Imphal East District Commando, Sagolmang Police Station and columns of 2x8 Gurkha Regiment recovered a huge case of arms and ammunition along with other equipments from Owakan, Santipur and Kamanlok regions during mass search operations conducted in different areas yesterday. The combined team, led by Additional Superintendent of Police, Imphal East, under the supervision of SP Imphal East S. Ibomcha, launched a search operation from 12 noon till 3 p.m. The recovered arms and ammunition include 3 AK-47 rifles, 1 51mm mortar, 303 rifles, 3 carbine machine guns, 3 9mm pistols, 1 local mat revolver, 1 MP5 gun, 7.62 SLR, 1 lethal launcher, 1 modified UBGL, 2 improvised RL, 1 improvised rifle, and 8 improvised gun pump. The combined team also recovered 920 live rounds of INSAS rifle, 38 INSAS rifle fired case, 28 live rounds of CMG, 44 empty cases of 7.62 78 36 hand grenades, 72 12-bore cartridges, 50 HD card, 40 aiming rings, 3 2-inch mortar, besides others. All siege items have been handed over to Sagolmang Police Station for further investigation.